Part 6, NH or NG. So a lot of people ask me for the sounds of these. The first one is actually quite easy, is a ny sound. So we have, for example, this word is nhanh, nhanh. I think you do have the sound in English. When you put the N and the Y together, it produces this sound. So again, let's practice with NH. We have first word is nhanh, nhanh. Second one is nhớ, nhớ. Next one is nhưng, nhưng. Nhà, nhà. Nhốt, nhốt. And the last one, nhỏ, nhỏ. So this sound is easy to produce, right? The problem is the NG or NGH. With NG and NGH, first thing you need to remember is they sound exactly the same. The difference is NGH goes before I, E, or E with a hat. For other vowels, they go with NG. So for the sound, I will help you to produce a sound for this one. But for the writing, you have to remember which one goes with which one. Again, NG goes with all the vowels except I, E, and E with a hat. NGH goes with I, E, and E with a hat. Now let's work on the pronunciation. With this sound, you do have the sound in English, remember this. We have the sound hang, 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 hanging, hanging, right? You do have the ng sound. The only difference is in English is in the middle or at the end of the word. In Vietnamese, it can start at the beginning. So the tip is to open the mouth first. Now try to produce a sound with me. Ng, 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 ng. So we have ngon, ngon. See that? Ng. Even before producing the sound, I already opened the mouth. Ng, ng. And you can feel that the sounds come from here as well. If you touch this part of your throat, you can feel the vibration. Ng. Now let's try. Ngon, ngon. Okay? Let's say some words together. We have ngọt, ngọt. Ngốc, ngốc. Người, người. Ngà, ngà. Nghe, nghe. Nghĩ, nghĩ. Nghề, nghề. Alright, let's try to practice. The first one I have is nhà and ngà, nhà, ngà. Listen to see which one I'm saying. I'm saying nhà, nhà. Is it the first one or the second one? It's the first one. Correct. Next one, I'm saying nhé, 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 nhé. Listen to see which one I'm saying, okay? Nhé, nhé. It's still the first one. Yep. Let's try the next one. I say ngon, ngon. Which one am I saying now? Ngon, ngon. You can hear my mouth open very largely at the beginning, right? Which means is NG, the second one. Next one we have is nhọt and ngọt. I'm saying ngọt, ngọt. So, yes, NG it is. Last one we have is nhồi, ngồi. I'm saying ngồi, ngồi. It is a NG sound. Very good. Okay, so NH and NG, you all have the sound in English. The only problem is you have to remember where you produce them. NH is ñ, ñ, nhà. NG is ng, ng, nga, nga. Remember, one is like kind of like the sound is inside your mouth, and the NG, the sound is like back in the throat, like ng, ng. Okay? Ñ, ng, nhà, nga. That's it. Thanks for listening, and I hope you had a good time. I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.